Well, hello everybody. Hello everybody. Today is a good day. Happy Monday. I know y'all didn't think y'all was gonna see me, but it is Monday, the 8th of January. And I am here at the, can y'all see? Hold on, let me take y'all off of here so y'all can see me. We're at the, is that TJ? Y'all can't see. Tjmaxx. And there is a Burlington that is conjoined together, and I'm gonna see if I can look for those highball glasses. So I thought I'll bring y'all with me so we can see if we can find some. All right, y'all, they got music playing, so I'm gonna turn y'all around and we're gonna see what they got. I am in Burlington right now, okay? Y'all, Burlington didn't have, they did have a highball glass set, but it wasn't what I wanted. But y'all, we're gonna go on Tjmaxx. It's not even combined, you gotta walk. So I'm walking over there right now, and we're gonna go see what we can find over there, okay? So yeah, the last time I was in this Burlington, they told me that they were gonna conjoin them, and that was last year, and they didn't. So they lied to us, y'all. They lied. Oh, this one is open. So we're gonna come in the Tjmaxx, and then I'll bring you guys back there to the home stuff, and then I'll show you what they do have. Okay, because they got music playing in here too, like always. Y'all, this is super pretty. This is Tjmaxx. That's nice. That's real nice. So this is what they got right here so far, as far as decor. I'm gonna go over there to the everybody got these. Super pretty. Those are pretty. Y'all, all this stuff is clearance. Oh, look at that. I ain't trying to break nothing. But all these things is clearance. This is $8. I just seen these over there. That one's $8. So I don't see any Highball ones, but all of these are like clearance. Y'all about to go. Y'all, I wasn't lucky today. That's a small, that's a very small Tjmaxx though. I will say that. So I wasn't lucky this time to find what I was looking for, but I know I will find them glasses, y'all. I gotta be patient. Patience is always good. It's always good. But I'm on my way home and I'll pick you guys back up in a little while, okay? Yeah, I come back for a minute, okay? I said I could talk to them for a minute. I don't know if I got enough footage in this video to give y'all, but this video gonna be short today. Whew. But I don't have nothing else to do, y'all. I absolutely don't have nothing else to do. I know I need to wash my hair today. Today my hair needs to get washed. So we might do that when I go home. I think I might wash it, and then once I brush it real good and let it, you know, because I'm not going back out once I get home. Let it dry really good, and I'll tie it back up. But anyways, yeah, y'all, you know what I'm learning? Going in these stores, I am so spoiled. I am so spoiled to, let's get on down the road. I am so spoiled to my prices that I be getting, my deals I be getting. I'm so spoiled to that. It is just like, it's beginning to be something. If you know what I mean. All y'all raise your hand that like deals. I'm just so spoiled. I'm so spoiled to my deals. Them girls see me coming out and they still gonna keep walking. Let me share something with y'all how people are so mean. The other day, y'all, I was at the park and I was jump roping in front of my truck. And this guy that was parked on the side of me, I gotta pay attention over here. It was a guy on the side of me. I seen him get in his car. I start while I'm jump roping to the left. I have the ability in my limbs to do that. You just pay attention and you just start jumping that way. So I did that, and he says, "Oh, I don't want to hit you." And I just looked at him. I did smile because I kept saying, "Now why would he say that when I'm already out of the clear and he's already out of my way? I don't want to have to hit you." I was just like, now, what kind of evil? What kind of evilness is that? That is crazy to even say that. Now, y'all let me know in the comments, is that not crazy? And I'm so glad that something said, Sonia, just smile and keep it moving. Don't even say anything. It was just like, no need to even say that. I don't want to have to hit you. Where do they do that at? That is beyond me. I'm going to stay in my lane. I'm going to continue to do good. Treat people with love, because karma is real. People better stop acting crazy out here. Okay? I just wanted to share that, y'all. I just wanted to share that. But we are on our way home. And I don't know what else is going to be in this video. Like I said, I have to wash my hair. And that's really about it. I need to finish drinking all my water too, though. But anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all when I get home. All right? She's back. She's back. It feels so good to be home right now. It feels so good to be home right now. So y'all, I'm home, and like I said, it feels good to be home right now. Yeah, I ain't doing much. I'm gonna go back in the back and I'm gonna watch me some movie. I did stop on my way home and got some orange juice from Aldi's and some bell peppers, because y'all know I've been making those, what do you call them? I've been making my, y'all know what I'm talking about, because she can't think right now. I've been making my sandwiches, basically my wraps. Been making my wraps, and I got some stuff left. I got I got this right here left to make my reason for my bell peppers. I'm gonna rinse them off. I didn't have any bell peppers, so that's gonna be good. And I need to drink tons and tons of this orange juice. I need to read between the lines. She's gonna need to kill this orange juice. I'm gonna have to put this rest of this inside of a container somewhere so I can get rid of this plastic container. So I probably can drink this. I'll drink one more today and I'll drink one in the morning. And then I think I'll drink one Wednesday morning. I'll drink one tomorrow and Wednesday morning, and then I can throw this away. That's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, guys, I'm waiting on a lady to come. I need to cut this open. This is the castor oil. I want to use this after I wash my hair. But I'm waiting on a lady to come and to buy, what is she buying? She's buying a flower pot. What did I just do with it? Yeah, what did I just do with that? That's why I'm gonna watch this movie and relax, okay? Because I got some stuff coming up. So, this is what it is. The ladies come to buy this flower pot. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna put in between. I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna show y'all a switcheroo. That's why I said use the stuff that you got at home already. So you ain't gotta go out and be buying extra stuff and do some switch around. So we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna switch around.
Ladies, as you know, West.
Hi. Did you buy that last one? Yeah. Okay. Here's a bag.
Are you making these?
No.
Oh, okay.
I bought them. But it still works. It's nothing. You can bang it here. It's nothing wrong. I had a plant in here.
Oh, okay.
I just got rid of the plant. There's nothing wrong with it.
Sorry, you're really early. I was gonna call, but
This.
The farmer this weekend.
So guys, the plant looks really good sitting here like this, especially standing up right there. So my plan is to, this pot right here, I'm gonna show you where you could put a shelf right there. I'm gonna find a piece of wood to put across there so I can set that other pot up there. And I don't have to worry about buying anything else, but I think it looks nice there. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Guys, I came back because I'm going to end this video. I want to thank you all for watching and being supportive here on my channel. Y'all I twisted up my hair, wrapped it real good so it can dry. I done finished all the things. I had a fabulous dinner. I'm going to throw in a video so you can see what it looked like. It is approximately 9:34, and I just want to end this video out. So guys, I am in here enjoying my room. I'm enjoying my space, my TV, watching something here. To have that TV up like that off that dresser. But just want to say, love yourself so that you may love others, y'all. So this world could be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.